Okay, wait. They want you to. Will you dab? Yeah. He did it. Humu humu nuku nuku apua'a.
You have to try to claim as many panels.
Can you say that, Hannah?
Say what?
Humu humu
Humu.
nuku nuku.
Yeah.
Nuku.
Humu humu nuku nuku apua'a.
Apua'a.
What?
You have to eat ass again.
What?
I went up.
Oh, okay.
I didn't even have to go like this. That's like. Honestly, I remember like when we used to party and people would think I'm drunk, but I actually wasn't drunk. I was just so excited to be hanging out with you guys. And I get like this when I hang out with you guys.
Oh,
what happened?
bye, Yoshi. You weren't.
Why did that happen?
Because you can't run into the walls. See, Shauna hasn't. Oh no. Shauna didn't run into the wall, and then she did.
The freaking ghost ate me. I was doing so well. Do we press any buttons?
No, you just gotta pedal.
Oh my god.
Shauna, you gotta take it.
Oh my god, I'm
No. Did you do it? You did it.
She's beating us all now.
Oh my god.
She's catching up to.
Shauna, now I feel like I'm getting red.
Oh my god. I'm like getting abs from laughing so hard right now.
Oh,
I'm brown.
I don't like this one. Alright, but we know how to play.
I'm so red.
Ready?
Like, let's turn this fan on. It's like 20 degrees outside. Oh my god.
We'll find you again one day, Mewtwo. Your green crotch will be mine. You had to kill one, and it's been a bad taste in your meowth. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. School, just give me all this sugar. I sneezed. I sneezed. It's gonna be go get a water bathroom time. Look at this hair though. Look at that. Dude, thumbnail next video, this hair. Shiny Growlithe. There we go, we got it.
But I went on 4 hours of sleep.
Mm.
On 2 hours. I'll go to sleep after.
Hamburger chat.
I'll go to sleep after work. It's just floor.
Oh, you're only on floor?
Yeah.
That sucks, so you have to bring all those trash cans in if it's raining tomorrow?
All of them?
No.
Oh.
Stupid Buddy is streaming? Wait, can we go destroy Buddy's chat real quick? Are you guys down to do this? This is my friend right now. Should we all... Are you guys all down to go into his stream and destroy his chat? Oh my god. Drive trucks. If you guys want to drive trucks, just drive trucks in there. I don't know if he'll see it because he is doing the PlayStation streaming. But here's his Twitch. You have an ad? Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, I took it.
Okay, I'll copy that.
I'm sorry, do you want the backpack back? I'll give it back, I just don't know how.
You can't see it! You can't see it! No!
ICR or this gun, Sam? Which one?
Oh, ICR, bro.
Is he gonna notice?
I don't know who the fuck any of you guys are, but shout out to you guys. Thanks for, thanks for the viewership.
What?
God damn it.
Oh,
Yeah, Mickey, I love you.
How come I can't get any of these, all this stuff on here? I switched my. Why did you do that?
Hey
What?
Sam, are you monitoring chat?
Don't mod the chat. Mod the chat.
Hell yeah, there we go. Chris, what's up, man? It's all Chris's fault. This is what happens when I pay attention to chat. Chris sent me. What's up, guys?